Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful dish, steamed taro pork ribs. Let's jump right in. First, soak the pork ribs in cold water overnight to remove any impurities. Then, cut them into manageable pieces and add chopped green onions, ginger, a dash of black pepper powder, a sprinkle of salt, a drizzle of light soy sauce, a hint of Sichuan peppercorn powder, a touch of dark soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and a dollop of oyster sauce. Give everything a good mix. Add some cornstarch to bind everything together, mix again, and let it marinate for about half an hour. Next, slice the taro and arrange it neatly at the bottom of a plate. Lay the marinated pork ribs on top of the taro slices. Steam this delightful combo for 45 minutes in a steamer once the water is boiling. While that's steaming to perfection, finally chop some green onions. Once the ribs are done steaming, sprinkle the chopped green onions over them for that extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, tender flavorful pork ribs nestled on a bed of steamed taro. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.